Welcome to Dazonn Technologies, your go-to source for web development tips and tricks. Today, we are diving into a critical topic that affects every website owner and developer out there, Core Web Vitals. You'll learn what they are, why they matter, and how to optimize them for a blazing fast website. So, stay tuned. Optimizing Core Web Vitals, boost your website's performance. Number 1. Understanding Core Web Vitals. Let's begin by understanding what Core Web Vitals are. Core Web Vitals are a set of specific factors that Google considers crucial for measuring the user experience on your website. These include loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Number 2. The 3 core metrics. There are 3 core metrics that make up Core Web Vitals. Metric 1. Largest Contentful Paint, LCP. LCP measures how fast the largest content element on your web page loads. A faster LCP means users can see your content sooner. Metric 2. First Input Delay, FID. FID assesses the interactivity of your page. It measures the time it takes for your website to respond to user actions, such as clicks and taps. Metric 3. Cumulative Layout Shift, CLS. CLS evaluates the visual stability of your site. It gauges how often elements shift around unexpectedly, causing frustration for users. Number 3. Why Core Web Vitals matter. Why should you care about Core Web Vitals? Well, they directly impact your website's performance in search engine rankings. Websites with better Core Web Vitals tend to rank higher on Google, which means more visibility and traffic for your site. Number 4. Running a Page Speed Insights Test. Let's jump into action. To start optimizing your Core Web Vitals, you'll need to run a Page Speed Insights Test. This free tool from Google provides a detailed report on your website's performance. Number 5. Practical Solutions for Optimization. Now that you have your report, it's time to implement improvements. We'll cover practical solutions for each Core Web Vital metric to help you boost your website's performance. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step towards improving your website's user experience and search engine ranking. Remember, Core Web Vitals are not just about satisfying algorithms, they're about making your website more user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development insights. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for tuning into Dazonn Technologies, and we'll see you in the next video.